Consider in front of me DOOGEE S98 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap on the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, you should click here only once on the switcher, and after that we can see here the list of all available networks, and let's select for example the first one. 1 second please. And here we should enter the password. If you want to see the password to have no some mistakes, for example, you should click here once on the switcher and on this checkbox. I'll just enter the password out of screen. One moment please. Okay, after that we just should click here to connect. And now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you want, you can sure connect to for just not for one or just for 2 or more networks, and after that you can just switch between them if you want. We can also here see the save networks with the passwords, and if you want to change the Wi-Fi preferences, you can activate this switcher to turn on the Wi-Fi automatically and to install just different certificates. But how you can do that, you just should find it another video on our HardReset YouTube channel, and also if you want to notify for public networks, you should just also click here once on the switcher to activate this feature. And if you want to turn off Wi-Fi, just click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also I have the second way how to activate Wi-Fi. Just open notification panel, and here you will find the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on the icon, and now we can see again this list with the available networks. Just by the same way, select the network, enter the password and tap to connect, and that's it. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi from here, just click here once again on this icon, and that's how it looks. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.